Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, no matter where you are in the world. This is Howie, and I'm here to help you win with money. Today is Monday, April 19th, 2021. First trading day of week number 16. Markets are red, so let's see what we can do today. So here's the first one I'm going to put on. I'm going to roll this because it's down by 10%. It's a cash secure put. I'm just going to roll it forward, and I'll try to collect some credit for it. And that one went across much faster than I thought. If you look at here, whoops, here you go, Riot. And I do have another one, so let me put that one on. So let's try to put another one on. We're going to roll this one down. The market is down. The reason why you do this is if it keeps on going down, you want to try to get ahead of it, which I'm already behind because I'm in the money. But the point is, if it reverses, that's fine. You collected some extra premium, and then if it reverses, you be out of the money. So that's what I'm doing here. Let's look for the next trade. And there you go. The second set of Riot went across, and I got a small premium again, and that's all I care about. I'm just going to keep on rolling. And for today, that's all I have. I'm not going to do any trades. I'm done. I'm just going to sit back and wait. I love it. I love it. And I'm only saying that because I've been waiting for the markets to drop. I have iron condors out that are being tested on the call side. I need it to sort of level back down, even if it's only another day or two in red. I don't need it to always be red. I'm okay with it trading in a range because that's what ideally is perfect for what I do for my strategy. If it stays in a range, my iron condors expire, the time goes on, and I make money each day, and that's what I'm doing. With that being said, comment below. Let me know what you're trading. Let me know how you're doing. And for the year, do you keep track of your profit and loss? What is your running total? Are you still profitable? Are you taking a more cautious stance? With that being said, let's do this together. Let's do this $1 at a time and have a profitable day. Bye bye.